Welcome to the Tech Tales by Pallavi and to our third video in our Object-Oriented Programming series. In this video, we'll explain inheritance using a super simple real-life family example. If you missed the introduction and encapsulation videos, check out the playlist now. Hey learners! Now let's move to the next magical concept, inheritance. Let's think about your own family. You might have inherited your dad's curly hair or your mom's dimples. That's called inheritance in real life, getting traits from your parents. And that's exactly what happens in programming too. In object-oriented programming, inheritance means one class, your child, inherits the properties and behavior of another class, the parent. Let's take an example and understand it more. In this example, the child class didn't write the family name method but still got to use it. That's inheritance in action. Now, let us understand why to use inheritance. Save time, no need to rewrite code. Keep code clean and organized. Reuse and extend parent class features. Represent real-world relationships. We're almost done with our OOP puzzle. Introduction, encapsulation, inheritance. Next up, polymorphism, where things get even more interesting.
If you enjoyed this video, drop your questions in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your coding buddies. This is just the beginning. Let's master OOP together.